let's check this option first. So here I need to create subscription first, because you can see here there are subscription options in our app. If you go to the App Studio, inside the code we saw that there are subscription. So here if you look, there is a subscriptions: monthly, 3-month, annually, single item subscription. So we have to create this subscription, right? So to create this subscription, here you can see there is an option inside products, subscription, create subscription. So click on this option. Here we need to give a product name, description, benefits, select a billing period and default price, free trial. So we have to submit all these things. So to put a product ID, let me first click on learn, so that I know more about the product ID. I think I should put this ID, just copy it from here. Copy it from here and paste it here. This is our one ID. I'm going to give it a name, Intro Maker monthly subscription. Just monthly subscription. You will be charged each month if you buy this subscription. In this subscription you will have access to all premium features for 1 month, right? So this is the correct description. So this is correct description. Let's add benefits. Include up to 4 benefits to help users understand what they get when they subscribe. Okay. All paid features of our app. No limitations. Okay. No limitations in our app. You can access all features of our app. There will be no limitation in our app. So these are the 2 benefits. Select every 4 weeks. No, it's just monthly subscription. Default price will be, let me check. I'm giving it a 500 PKR because it is approximately $3. Let me check it here with the United States dollars. United Kingdom, United States 2.99. So I think it's fine. Apply prices. So click this option. Default price is set. Next I want to free trial. Yes, enabled. 3 days free trial. Okay. introductory prices. So single payment, recurring payment. No, it's just recurring payment. So billing period is offer new server discount price for a specific okay, billing period I don't understand. Okay, I think I have to put a date which is a 1 of each month, I think. Okay, billing periods monthly, there will be just one billing period. Grace 7 period, I don't know understand. Grace period, give user time to resolve payment issues while keeping their subscription active. So yes, 7 days are enough. Let increase it to 14, no problem. Enabled for all, resubscriber, allow user to resubscribe from the Play Store after cancellation. Yes, they can resubscribe. So save all these options. Okay, some prices have error. Some prices have error. I don't understand. What do you mean? So let's set the prices, put it 500. Okay, let's change it to 480 PKR. Actually it's a introductory price, I think, so I will put it to 450. 450. I don't know what is the problem actually, that it's giving an error. So okay, just click on none option. Since I selected that option, that is why I was facing error. So just select none option, enabled for all. Now click on save changes. My changes are saved. So should I have to change anything else? Just click on activate to make it active. Okay, this has been created. Now go to the subscription again. We have to create all the subscriptions, right? So create a subscription again.